viewers, welcome to another class of Gyanan powered by Wishback. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the basic knowledge of K-map and different types of variable available in K-map. K-map or Veitch diagram is a very simple method to simplify the Boolean expression. This is a perfect method for circuit design with up to 4 variables. K-map is implemented by square cells along with the truth table. For n number of variables in K-map, the number of square cells will be 2 to the power n. It can take two forms. One is the POS, which is the product of sum form, and the other is SOP, that is the sum of product form. The details will be discussed soon. Here we can see there are 3 circles having different colors. 3 colors are red, blue, and yellow. These 3 colors are overlapping with the circles of violet, green, and orange. The center of all circle is white, which is common. Here, the common factor is used as grouping. Illustrate that grouping the common factors of ones and zeros in the form of SOP and POS. There are 3 groups of ones. In K-map, we write 00, 01, 11, 10 instead of 00, 01, 10, 11 because to make groupings. The term between 00 and 01, the common factor is 0. The term between 01 and 11, the common factor is 1. The term between 11 and 10, the common factor is also 1. Two-variable Karnaugh map. Illustrate the truth table of an OR gate. The output column is F. To construct the corresponding K-map, as we know for 2 variables A and B, the number of square cells will be 2 square, which is equal to 4. We can see from the truth table, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then F is equal to 0. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, then F is equal to 1. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then F is equal to 1. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then F is equal to 1 again. In this K-map, 2 overlapping groups of ones are there. One is the vertical group and the other is the horizontal group. The 3-variable Karnaugh map illustrates the truth table of 3-variable K-map. The output column is F. To construct the corresponding K-map, as we know for 3 variables x1, x2, x3, the number of square cell will be 2 to the power 3, which is 8. Now we can transfer the data from the truth table to the K-map by using the input value is coordinate replacements of the output values. Now this is ready to use. There are 2 overlapping possible groups of ones in the K-map. One is the vertical and the other is the horizontal. 4-variable Karnaugh map illustrates the truth table of 4-variable K-map. The output column is F. To construct the corresponding K-map, as we know for 4 variables W, X, Y, Z, the number of square cells will be 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Now we can transfer the data from the truth table to the K-map by using the input value, which is coordinate replacement of the output values. Now this is ready to use. There are 5 overlapping possible groups of ones in this K-map. Now let's discuss the concept of SOP and POS. Firstly, let us discuss the concept of SOP. SOP, or sum of product, as its name indicated, we have to add the multiplier factor. This illustrates that sometimes it is called minterm. Here, 1 is represented by a variable a or any other variable. 0 is represented by the complement of the variable a or any other variable. The symbol which represents SOP is summation. There are 3 overlapping possible groups of ones in this K-map. The equation is f a b c d is equal to b naught d naught plus b naught c naught plus a naught c naught d. Now let's discuss the concept of POS. POS, or product of sum, as its name indicated, we have to multiply the adder factor. This illustrates that sometimes it is called maxterm. Here, 0 is represented by a variable a or any other variable. 1 is represented by the complement of the variable a or any other variable. The symbol which represents SOP is called pi. There are 3 overlapping possible groups of zeros in this K-map. The equation is open bracket b naught plus d close bracket open bracket c naught plus d naught close bracket open bracket a naught plus b naught close bracket. With this, we have come to an end of this lecture. Let us take a quick look on what all we have learned today. The basic description on Karnaugh map, different variable K-map, SOP and POS form. So viewers, that's all for this video, and we will meet again on another class with a new topic. Till then, keep learning and keep watching Gyan on Classes. Bye.